Hi there, this is Jay again, and I'm going to be walking you through Cloud Vision API and how exactly DeviantArt can integrate this system to utilize all of its functions. First thing I'm going to show you is that you can actually try this out for yourself really easily right on the homepage of Google Cloud Vision. Here at the very simple link cloud.google.com/vision, you can upload an image and see what sort of response or parameters you would be getting in each of these different labels. So we have labels, web, document, properties, and I'm going to go through all of this throughout the presentation, but here's just a quick and easy way for you to get started really quickly. The focus of this presentation and demonstration is going to be on analyzing the labels of the pictures that we upload into this API so that we can better categorize each of these pictures that users would put on DeviantArt. Let me walk through what exactly we can do and the two methods that we created to tackle this issue. Here's what Cloud Vision API looks like on the console. As you can see, it's very self-explanatory, very easy to enable, and also has real-time analysis of the response of code response and also an overview of all the features that you can utilize. So in the code, basically what I've done is create two methods for analyzing images. The first one will analyze images from a local folder that you have pre-downloaded, and then you direct the code to go to that specific folder, and it will analyze each file within that folder. The second one does a similar task. However, it's probably more convenient because it actually uses the image URL. Here you can see the image URL because it ends in a image file format, and it takes a list of these URLs and analyzes them one at a time. So these are the two same pictures, two different methods to do it. The main difference is method one is localized analysis straight from a directory. And in this case, we're going to be using the resources directory right here. As you can see, I already have a couple of images downloaded and ready to go. However, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll go ahead and download this one as well, just to demonstrate that this actually works and I'm not just making it up. So let's go and put it into the resources folder. All right, so as you can see, now the resources folder has 4 images instead of the 3 before. So ideally the code would run and give results for 3 images. Similarly, with the URI analysis, we want to be able to analyze every single online URL one at a time. And the way that we do this is to copy and paste this image URL, put it into a CSV file, which we predict that you'll have easier access to than any other method while you're implementing this yourself. And once it's in the CSV file, all we do is run this one command, and it will analyze all of your images and actually output the results to customized CSV files for your program. So here's all you need to all that is needed to call on the API. So let's let it run, and then we'll be able to see what sort of results we're getting and analyze that further. I want to make sure to bring to your attention that how this is working is returning the labels which have a confidence level of 92% or higher. So what this means is that our pre-trained models think that are 92% or more confident that what they are indicating in the picture is actually there. And we can see that the results are already written and they're done. So as I said, we have two methods. First, the local analysis, and this is written in M1- an epoch time because we want to be able to identify when we've actually run the files, what versions of files we're dealing with. So each of these numbers, every time you run it, will be different and updated. Then our URI analysis, which is our method 2, are also written in the results folder, and it has this file name. So let's take a look at what the results look like. So we have looking at the identifier 154 and then ending in 995. Let's go to the results folder, see if it's there. Here it is. And here is method 1, which is the local analysis, remember? And we should be expecting 4 results from the Cloud Vision API. Here Excel has loaded, and we can see now that all of these results have been written to the CSV file in a very readable format. We have the image name all the way on the first column, and then each of the categories that are that we are 92% or more confident about to the right of it. And as you can see, it's dynamic, so if one image has more categories, it will expand that by itself. So that was the result of the local method. Let's take a look at how we ran the URIs and see if we get similar success. Here again, we have a similar format where the URI is all the way on the first column, and then the labels with the same confidence level are to the right. So everything is working perfectly, and we are happy with what we see. Again, just to recap, we were able to utilize this Vision API really quickly in two different very useful ways. So just by writing this one Python command and its associated file, we were able to not only locally analyze all of the images from a directory, but also analyze all of the URIs that we have retrieved from the internet and pasted into a CSV file. Then these files are dynamically generated into our results folder for better identification and then for further analysis.